Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Stand By Me by Benny King, and hopefully it'll help you with our play along video that you can find on our Ukuleleans channel. Now then, the song is a lovely easy song. It's only got 4 basic chords, and it's also a great song for learning the island strum. So we'll look at the chords first of all. The first chord is a C chord. The next chord is an A minor. The next chord after that is an F. And the final chord is a G7. And if you're not sure how to play any of those, look in the chord charts and it'll show you which strings and frets to press, and the numbers are your fingers. You may also notice some coloured ukuleles in the video. That's because in school we use different coloured stickers to help learning. So the strum: down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. You can use your thumb or your first finger. Slow it down if you need to. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so let's play through the song. It starts on a C chord and the strum pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Get ready. Twice on the C, twice on the A minor, once on the F, once on the G7, twice on the C. Then the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. that's helped. Don't forget, there's a matching play-along video on our Ukuleleans channel, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.